Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to write application for requesting a Bonafide certificate from your school or college. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. The principal. Next, write the name of your school or college and then the full address of your school or college. Next up, write date. Here, mention the date in which you are submitting the application in the format date, month and year. Next is subject. Application for issuance of Bonafide certificate. Respected sir or madam, with due respect, I, here write your full name. Son or daughter of, write the name of your parent. Am a bona fide student of your esteemed institution. Currently studying in, here mention your class or year along with your stream or department in case you are studying in a college. Bearing roll number, here mention your roll number. I have been a student of this institution since, here mention the year of your admission. I am writing this application to kindly request you to issue a Bonafide certificate in my name. The certificate is required for, Here, mention the specific purpose or reason for which you need the certificate. I shall be highly obliged if you kindly consider my request and issue the Bonafide certificate at your earliest convenience. I am ready to provide any further information or documents if required. Thank you for your time and support. Yours sincerely. Write your name, then your class or year along with your section, next your roll number, your department, along with your phone number.